SimpliSafe Wireless Outdoor Security Camera. With 140 degrees field of view, see what happens outside 24/7. Get alerts whenever someone approaches. 1080p resolution and 8x zoom lets you see the details. Color night vision with spotlight lets you see clearly in the dark. Setup takes 5 minutes, no wiring needed. 2 Wi-Fi antennas for more consistent coverage. Smart person detection knows the difference between people, vehicles, and animals. VOSKER V150, LTE Cellular Security Camera, NO Wi-Fi, Solar-Powered Wireless Outdoor Surveillance Camera. Receive photos on your mobile app, NO Video, weather-resistant IP6. Updates in the palm of your hand. Photos are captured when the motion-activated sensor goes into action, and they are then sent to your mobile app where you can be notified that a motion has been detected, and a photo captured what it was. Nasitos Wi-Fi Trail Camera with App Control, 30MP 4K Game Camera Bluetooth Wireless Trail Cam. Trail Camera, CEYOMUR 20MP 1080p Hunting Camera, with Low Glow IR LEDs Night Vision Motion Activated. Video Game Camera with IP66 waterproof for wildlife monitoring. Fully automatic IR filter, built-in 36 PCS 850nm infrared LEDs. This game camera can capture crisp black and white nighttime images for a wide range. The low glow IR LEDs help to capture the animals in the night without disturbing them. WaSports Mini Trail Camera 16MP 1080p waterproof game hunting cam with night vision for wildlife monitoring hunting. This game camera is tinier than other wildlife cameras. It's portable. You can install it in any place and would not be found. Smaller than regular hunting cams though, the advanced function still.